Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen and we have a Tuesday morning haul. Magic fingers, magic fingers. I'm just excited. So today my husband had a little adventure planned for us. We had a vehicle maintenance that we had to go to Springfield to get done, and he bribed me with Tuesday morning. So I went. It was worth it. So I'm just going to share with you what we hauled from Tuesday morning. And the first thing I'll share is this wonderful black skull for Halloween. The jaw doesn't open, but it's a pretty cool skull. I was kind of hesitant to get it, but it was for my son. He wanted it, and now he gave it up already because he thinks it's too spooky in his room for him. So we paid $6.99 for it right there, Tuesday morning. And I think this will be a fun addition to our Halloween decorations. All right, the next thing I got at Tuesday morning was this table runner, and it is Harvest at Home. It's 13 inches by 70 inches, and it was $14.99. So there's the price right there. I don't know. I'm not good at showing prices, so forgive me, guys. Next thing I got was some felt die cuts, and they are the spider webs, and this one is $1.49. Okay, so the next thing I found were these little wood chips, and these are from the Jen Hatfield collection. Now, it doesn't show you what is in each set, but they're two different collections. This is the Patio Party, I believe. There it is, Patio Party. It's $2.99 right there, and there are 46 wood veneer shapes. And then this is a different collection, also from Jen Hatfield, and this is My Bright Life. My Bright Life, $2.99 also. And these are Maggie Holmes, and this is the confetti collection. Oh wow. And this was $2.49 also. The second one is also Maggie Holmes, and is this the same? It looks like I picked up two of the same pack, but that is okay with me. $2.49. Yep, they're both confetti. They had a lot of the paper flowers, and this is Little Birdie handmade flowers, and this was $3.99. But look at this gorgeous color collection we have here. We have navy, dark navy, and some blues and purples, deep purples. And I'm hoping you guys can see. I also picked up these mini bows of Amy Tangerine. Super tiny. Look at the bow, how tiny this is. So silver, I have a dark brown, a light brown, white, black, and gold. And then I got some Jen Hatfield ephemera. This is 40 pieces. So you have sentiments in this one here, and some larger images. And then you have some with the metallics on the ephemeras. So look, this is what we get, 40 pieces. And this was $1.99. And Warm and Cozy. So this is Warm and Cozy for that collection. And I got another Jen Hatfield. 40 pieces also, $1.99. And this is Along the Way. So we've got a bunch of these here, and then we have more sentiments in here, and this is what we get. Hatfield. I don't know, I'm not familiar with designers, but this is my first time hearing or seeing her design. I also found some Willow Lane, the stars, and this was $2.49, and you get 5 yards. Here's Willow Lane again, and this is the $4.99. I've already collected this before, and this is my second set of this particular ephemera. They also had some stamps, some great stamps. The first one I got was the Pebbles, and this was $2.99. I actually was looking for the acrylic to put the stamps on, because right now I'm using like the Dollar Trees, like really small. So I'm afraid this might not fit, but we'll make it work somehow. So $2.99, and it's Pebbles. Oh, Midnight Haunting. There you go. And like I said, $2.99. So the stamp collections are $2.99. And they had Pink Paisley Spellcast, $2.99 again. And you see how many pieces you get here. 6 of them. That's fun. I really, really love this spell book and her hat. Look at that. That hat right there. So here is another Pink Paisley. And this is also Spellcast. And this one has a frame. There's the roses, the Trick or Treat. And I believe that says October 31st. There you go. So I have one more. This is the After Dark. And this one is also $2.99. And there's 10 pieces here. Two different size pumpkins. You got a few bats. Oh, I love it. It's super cute. And you got the Boo. Good job. I like that one. Okay, so I also found Willow Lane stickers, and there's 4 sheets of stickers here. So you have the clear stickers. Oh my gosh, I didn't. This little teeny tiny beauty, hello friend, dream big, really, really tiny, adore fonts. And then you get these flowers, and you have these frames and some sentiments inside the frames, and a little border sticker, and then you have more shapes. Love it. Love it. Tools that I was also looking for some tweezers to help me pick up little teeny tiny pieces. But all I found was the Crafters Essentials We Are Memory Keepers, and it was $4.99. And this is the sticky piercer. So you have a piercer, and then you have a sticky end, which I'm excited for, to help me pick up these little teeny tiny pieces that I mess with. And they come with 2 caps. So very, very cool. I need this in my life. I also found the Crafters Essential We Are Memory Keepers embossing stylus. There's different size stylus tips. There's three of them, but there's different tip sizes. And this one only comes with 1 cap. Okay. And this is $6.99. Ooh, that was pricey. So these 2 tools, I'm pretty sure cost a lot more somewhere else, but still a little high for my liking. I picked up the Jen Hatfield chipboard stickers, and this is the Warm and Cozy chipboard, and this is $2.99. And you guys can see. I hope there's not much of a glare. I love this fox. Look at this little fox right here. Very cute. Look at that thermos. Oh my goodness. And then I found Good Vibes chipboard also for, who is this from? I didn't find the paper pad though, so I was kind of bummed. So this is $2.99. Did I say how much this one was? Yeah, I did. $2.99. So the chipboard was $2.99. I love that. It's super cute. I can't wait. I can't wait to play. Is the Willow Lane, and this is gold. There's 6 gold foiled pages in this paper pad, so out of 36 designs. picked up the 6x6 paper pads, and this is Jen Hatfield also, and it has the gold treatment papers. And this one I've never seen before. This is my first time. This is $2.99 for this paper pad. And yep, Heart of Home is what this paper is. This is the $2.99 paper pad 6x6 by Jen Hatfield. Warm and cozy. This is Good Vibes by Crate Paper. It's a 6x8 paper, and this is Willow Lane. And I don't think I have her 12x12. So that is one. So notice there's no foil treatment on this one. And then I saw this and I was confused as to why am I seeing two 6x8? And it's because, oh, there it goes. It's because this one has some foil treatment, and I believe it's a different print. You guys see? This one has foil on it, but none of the prints are the same. And so here we go. Oh, silly girl. I have the 12x12. It's my only 12x12. Willow Lane. So 1, 2, 3. Willow Lane. And to me, they all look different. Okay, so this is the same. That's the same. The music notes. There you go. This is here. Okay, so they split it, basically. So 2 pages of that, or 2 stacks of that. So that's it for my Tuesday morning haul on a Friday night, right before the holidays. I went crazy. So thanks for joining me, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up and share, and leave a comment down below. How is your Tuesday morning looking? Are you seeing any more Maggie Holmes or Jen Hatfield? I am loving her collection. So far, what I'm seeing, it's really, really, really pretty. So I'll catch you all on the next video, guys. Bye.